Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. Today I will be sharing with you the May kit, and this is the design team kit for Loes. So this is what I will be sending for Loes. And as you can see, she has beautiful items in her May kit. I'll put this aside. So these are the beautiful items that she will be receiving, and for your kit it may differ in for example different kind of hand crochet piece, or a different kind of a flower, or a different kind of postage stamp. So I will put the official kit for a sale. That will be for sale. I will put that in a different video. So this is only a designer's kit for Loes. So let me start by sharing with you these beautiful items, which are the cute stamps, and these are all Polish stamps. So this will be in her kit, together with a beautiful baggie here that she can reuse. Then she'll have a piece of lace that will be like so, very white one. And this piece will be in the kit as well. Such a beautiful one. I just love these laces with bling pieces. And this is a element that I also included in her kit, but this one, the other kits that will come will have different bows, because this I only have one of those. These are hand crocheted by Patricia. Then a beautiful handmade flower, so you can see such a gorgeous place. A piece of antique applique also. And then for the other trims, I have them in like color themes, or colors divided in, as you see in the background. Also the flowers are divided in colors. So this is for the blue trim selection, and this is also from the blue. And then I'll go to the green trims, which will be these two pieces. So let me try to display them a little bit on the side. This is for the pink one. These are all inspired by the paper itself. Is Minte, and it has such a beautiful vibrant color, very much for the summer, for the spring, and I just love that. This one. Then also these two Pom-Pom Trims, baby pink and also in white. Let me see if I haven't missed. No, these are all the trims, so you can see them here all on the side. Then I also created a package for her using the same colors: blue, green, pink, and whites, yellows, a little bit cream, so champagne color. That's all included in her package as well. And for your kit, I will put in some different flowers, but in the same color scheme as well. So this is how it will be wrapped up. Then I have some tiny elements that I added to her kit as well, like so. These are hand crocheted pieces by Patricia. This is baby blue, and then again the blue from the background and some white flowers. So these are also exclusive pieces, so you will have other pieces in your kit. So stay tuned for that. Then I also added a baggie filled with some doodads, bits and pieces that will be different as well, because each kit is different. So like pink and blues and white, just different elements here, different pieces, beads, doodads, all kinds of different pieces. So I can't wait to see how she will be creating with those. And also a bundle of steams there for her. That's for that. And then I'll show you the items that I created myself, which is this teapot, super cute. Yeah, these are also elements that you can see when I will show you the papers. These are elements that will also come in the images of the papers itself. So that's for this one. And this beautiful cluster of flowers. I really love these. These are so beautiful. I love the element of the layering and the dimension of the beautiful flowers there. So I cannot wait to see how she will use these as well. And I also have a special add-on to this kit, which are the Tilda collection. And in the Tilda collection, I use different elements from those, as the teacups. And in the back, there are two different kits that are inside here. I believe it's garden party something, and another one. So I'll put the links down below to the correct names of the papers, but I'll take them out so you can see which items will be included. So let me start off with this, which is a beautiful card where you can put on your buttons, or so it's you can put anything on here. It says embroidery yarn, but of course you can alter it to your own liking and use it. And it has a sort of a nest opening here, so you can use it as well as a tag. And these are the cups that will be in this kit, and of course in your kit you will have these too. So you can take a look at a preview of what will be in your kit as well, which is this one, and this one. And as I lay them down here on the papers, you can see how well they combine with the beautiful colors of the papers themselves. So these are the original Tilda tags that will be in your kit as well. And these are Anna Griffin labels that you can put on every card or layout or journal or whatever you're working on. These are just perfect as well. And then for the other layering of Tilda original papers or tags, that will be this one, this one, a beautiful tag here, a smaller one, this gorgeous one, like so, and this one. It's one of my favorites with this background. I really love that. So that will be in this kit and also in yours, where you will be having like another set of images, but the same amount as well. Then for this part, I don't know if, no, I cannot open this one, but she will reveal what's inside. So then for the papers, these are the smaller sizes, and this is the larger size, so the 12 by 12. So this is the front and at the back of that one. And this one, and this is the back. Let me see if I can share it like so. And this one, like so. And this one with the back. So it's all yeah, baby blue, baby pink with the green, yeah, lemon greens, and yeah, just beautiful and vibrant colors. And these are the largest pieces, so the 12 by 12. And the theme of this paper line is called Happy Place. So this is the front and the back as well. And this one just has beautiful elements, and as I told you, I have added some of those elements again in the handmade items. These are perfect to use like so, or cut apart and create your new frames. And this one with the back, which also has some frames there. So I'm pretty sure she will love this collection as well. So these are the fussy cut pages. This is an extra because this is the front of the paper set. And so this is the bonus sheet. And you see a teacup there. And lots of beautiful fun elements there to craft with. And this is the last one. Such a beautiful, beautiful collection. I just love that one. So this is design team kit. And of course, if you're interested again, please let me know. And I want to share with you soon. I will be sharing with you soon the first kit as soon as yeah, I'm done with all of those tiny elements that I will be adding. So for the kit for Luz, this is going to be her kit, and yeah, so stay tuned if you're you want to see more kits as these, and of course the kit for May that will be available soon is also going to be uploaded soon. So stay tuned for that, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye bye.